Hey everyone, back to do another video. Some of you have been wanting to see the Slingshot Rifle. Um, so here's an update. So I had to shorten up this piece here. So I cut it here and re-welded it, brought it a little bit shorter. The wheels, the guide wheels, I took those off. I was like, that's just, no. For now, I want to do it a certain way using this here. Now, one day maybe I'll do something like that just on something different. You know, the guide wheels, I mean. So, anyhow, I had to do that. Cut it, weld it. I also want to use the flat band. Now, this flat band, it's okay. I prefer using the black one. The black one has serious power. If any of you have seen the real brand, certain parts of it going straight across is roughly about, I would say, roughly 75 yards, give or take a little. And the black band, using one of those, using a very small handheld, well, obviously handheld, but a very small slingshot that's used more like competition kind of stuff, can shoot one of these, a steely, straight across, and with enough power to plow into the woods on the other side to the point where you could literally hear it. I mean, you could really hear it. Yeah. So for now, I'm going to use this band. The black one, I saved those for actual target shooting way out there in the woods. So what I do is, here I pull on the trigger, spread that apart with my finger. I know you guys can't really see it too well, but you will. Hold it in place. Up. Get in there. There we go. Okay. That paper on the wall, that's what I'm aiming for. So, let me zoom up. Let's see. There's already one hole in that paper off to the left. Almost dead center, but off to the left. Let's see what this here will do. It's not a very powerful slingshot rifle. It's for fun, for the most part. That was a little bit on the high side. You can see almost dead center up at the top. Let's try that one more time. Let's load this thing back up. And yeah, the blanket right there, super padded for stuff like this. Okay. There we go. So, it does work. It's probably not meant to take down anything big, but it does work. So there we go. With all the modifications that I did, it still works good. So thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you very much. and I'll talk to y'all later.